Rafiq Nur Ashar. I am class 12 TKJ 1. How to crimp a cable strap. Connector 2, white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown brown. Crimp the connector. Use the crimping tools and press RJ45 connector. Firmly so that the wires are strongly attached. The cable with a cable tester. Connect both ends of the cable to cable test to verify the connection. Sorry. Thank you.